Hello everyone, so first we are taking a low ponytail and then by using a tool we are going to fold it into itself and then we are going to divide it into 3 parts and then we are going to make a braid with it. After that we are going to loosen the braid as you can clearly see in the video. After that we are going to tie it with the help of a rubber band. Then we are going to fold it into a bun, then applying this beautiful pin. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, then we are going to loosen it a little bit and then we are going to apply this pin at the one side. Then we are going to take the remaining hair and then by using this bobby pin we are going to fold the hair into a bun. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, then we are going to apply a pin underneath it. Then we are going to take the rest of the hair and then securing them with a rubber band and making this beautiful bun. Next we are going to take a low ponytail and then applying this pin at the end and then applying a rubber band. After that we are going to fold it as you can clearly see, then securing it with this pin and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, then we are going to loosen it. After that applying the pin at one side. After that taking this remaining hair we have left and folding it out into inward direction and then securing them with a clip. Next we are going to take a ponytail and then by using this tool we are going to fold it inwards once and then taking all of the hair and applying a rubber band on them. Then at last we are going to fold them into a bun and applying this beautiful butterfly clip. Next we are going to take a high ponytail and then twisting it and folding it into a bun. After that we are going to secure it by using this clutcher. You can use any rubber band you want. Next we are going to take a high pony, then by using this tool we are going to twist the hair along with it as you can see by dividing them in 2 parts and then at last applying a rubber band. Then we are going to fold it into a circular shaped bun and then you can see the simple hairstyle is ready. You can add more accessories if you want. Next we are taking this ponytail and underneath it we are going to apply this clip, then taking the remaining hair and folding it out with the help of this black pin and your bun is completed. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, then applying this beautiful pin underneath it. Then we are going to apply a rubber band on it and by using this black pin we are going to fold it into a shape of bun and your hairstyle is completed. Thanks for watching.